Gentlemen, welcome. Today we're diving into a transformative journey, one that will challenge you, refine you, and ultimately elevate you to your highest potential. This is about monk mode, a concept that has been embraced by some of the most disciplined and successful men throughout history. Monk mode isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle shift, a deliberate decision to cut out distractions, focus on self-mastery, and reclaim your time, energy, and purpose. So what exactly is monk mode? It's a period of intense focus and discipline where you eliminate all non-essentials from your life. It's about stripping away the noise, social media, meaningless relationships, bad habits, and anything else that doesn't serve your growth. Monk mode is about becoming the best version of yourself, not for anyone else, but for you. Now let's break it down step by step. How do you start monk mode? Step 1. Define your purpose. Monk mode begins with clarity. Ask yourself, why are you doing this? What is the ultimate goal you're striving for? Is it to build a successful career, improve your health, or develop unshakable mental strength? Without a clear purpose, monk mode will feel like an empty grind. Write down your goals and keep them visible. Let them guide every decision you make. Step 2. Eliminate distractions. This is where most men struggle. Distractions are everywhere. Social media, binge watching, toxic relationships, and even your own negative thoughts. Start by auditing your daily habits. What's draining your time and energy? Delete unnecessary apps, set boundaries with people who don't align with your goals, and create a clean, organized environment. Remember, a cluttered space leads to a cluttered mind. Step 3. Create a routine. Monk mode thrives on structure. Your day should be intentional and disciplined. Wake up early, exercise, meditate, read, and work on your goals. Build a routine that aligns with your purpose. Consistency is key. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up every single day, even when it's hard. Step 4. Embrace solitude. Monk mode is a solo journey. It's about spending time with yourself, reflecting, and growing. Learn to enjoy your own company. Meditate, journal, or simply sit in silence. This is where you'll find clarity and strength. Step 5. Focus on self-improvement. Use this time to invest in yourself. Read books that challenge your thinking, learn new skills, and push your physical limits. Monk mode is about becoming a better man, mentally, physically, and spiritually. Step 6. Stay patient and persistent. Monk mode isn't a quick fix. It's a marathon, not a sprint. There will be days when you feel like giving up, but remember why you started. Trust the process and keep moving forward. Gentlemen, monk mode is not for the weak-willed. It's for those who are ready to take control of their lives and become the men they were meant to be. It's about discipline, focus, and relentless self-improvement. So are you ready to step up? Are you ready to embrace the grind and transform yourself? The journey starts now. Take the first step. Enter monk mode. And remember, greatness is not given, it's earned.